Okay, you chosen the Transformers Revenge of the Fallen Rubik's Cube. All the stickers are indeed colored, but they are designed to look like the Allspark from the movie. The white side will be Autobot, yellow side will be Decepticon, and the red side will have the logo, you can see. And the rest are just different colors with designs. So, it's okay. It also came with a special gray or silver display stand, where most Rubik's Cubes with stands you get will come with this generic black one. So this is the only one that comes with a gray one. So here we go, there's my time. Start. Oh, and yes, since there's designs on them, it is considered a picture cube, so there will be a design you have to match up. So it'll take a little bit longer than a regular colored one. Okay, if this is a regular cube, it would be done by now. Now I gotta fix the parity. It has to go 90. This has to go 90. Okay, that has to go 360. This has to go 90. 175, so I'm assuming this is 90. Okay. To 17, 2 minutes 17 seconds. So we got the white side, Autobot logo. All that's good stuff. Yellow side, Decepticon logo. All that good stuff. And the red side has the brand logo, Rubik's, with a lot of designs. The blue side, you can see the detail, I hope. There's a circle there, whatever. Here's the orange side, which the lines in the center have to match up, and the blue side, there's a circle you gotta match. The green, I don't know. I'm assuming it's right, because there's just no tell, there's no line. You gotta match up, it's just green dots in the middle. But everything else is pretty good. There you go, Transformers Revenge of the Fallen Rubik's Cube.